Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your Binance account. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the identification section. You'll need to select your country of residence and the type of verification you wish to complete, such as Verified or Verified Plus. This initial step ensures you're ready for the next stages of identity confirmation. Let's get started with the process. Next, you'll be prompted to upload images of your identification documents. Make sure these photos are clear, with all information easily readable and no glare. You might also need to provide a proof of address, like a bank statement or a utility bill from the last 3 months. Double-check that the names and addresses match your Binance account details to avoid delays in approval. After submitting your documents, the next step is facial verification. This usually involves a live scan using your device's camera. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, ensuring you're in a well-lit area with a plain background. Once completed, Binance will review your entire application. This process typically takes a few minutes to a few days, depending on their current volume. You'll receive a notification once your verification is approved. Once your Binance account is verified, you'll gain access to significantly higher deposit and withdrawal limits, along with a wider range of trading features. This enhanced access allows for more flexibility and security in your cryptocurrency activities. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.